Okay. Hi, it's Barbara Greenlee with Green Moon Stamp Studio, and I've got my daughter Samantha here with me today because we're going to do an unboxing of this box. This is for the Norway incentive trip, and I have to look up, but I know there's a disclaimer I have to put on here about earning the incentive trip because it's not the typical experience for every demonstrator, but I have worked very hard and earned the trip, and they have sent me this box, and we're going to open it up and find out what's in it. So got my box cutter, and this box has been sitting here for a little bit.
She's been waiting days.
Yeah. Oh, it's like double wrapped. Okay, it may take days to get into the box. It's like Christmas. Let's see what we got. Okay, plastic. All right.
This side. It's one of those.
Oh wait. Oh, a flippy.
It's like a paper pumpkin box.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Well, that's cute.
There's little cats on the inside.
And little foxes, a little owl.
Oh, are they fox?
Maybe.
Instead of cats? Okay.
They could be cats, they could be foxes.
And it is all wrapped with a little sticker. La la la. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Look, there's a card.
Of course there's a card.
I got a card. Look, there's all this other fabulous stuff, and what am I grabbing? I got a card. Congratulations. Congrats on your incredible achievement. Our trip is getting closer, and we can't wait to experience the sights of Norway with you. For those who can't make it on the trip and choose to cash out, we will miss you. We're excited for you to receive these exclusive Norway-inspired gifts. We hope they serve as a reminder of what you worked so hard to earn. We appreciate you and all that you do to share what you love as you help others enjoy creativity and worthwhile accomplishments. That's like our mission statement. Mm-hmm. Hugs, Sarah and Shelley. And look, this always gives me...
Here we go.
When I get a card from home office and there's nothing on the back. Not who made it, not, hand stamped, but cute little card. I just used that embossing. That's the Countryside Blossoms embossing folder.
Oh boy.
Okay, a rolling pin. Engraved. Oh, it's engraved. Yeah. Okay, wait, we have to see this. I don't want to ruin anything.
Can you do it? Do you want me to do it?
Wait.
You gotta.
I'm trying.
Pressure.
Hold, please. How about we do that?
Yeah, we could just slide it off too. That works.
Look.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Look. It's like the countryside stuff.
Mm-hmm. Little bunnies,
a rabbit
and
a dove. Oh, look how cute that is. So what do you do with that? Do you roll out things?
Like sugar
to
cookies?
Cook?
Make indentions in sugar cookies?
Yeah. Look up a Norwegian cookie recipe and have a go at embossing with cookie dough.
I knew it. Cookies.
Cool. That's fun. Okay. Oh, and luggage tags for the Norway trip. Okay, let's see what this is. A strap for something. Hold. Socks. Socks? Okay. We might need socks. They have the same pattern as the... Oh, there's two pairs.
There's two pairs. Might need it up, you know, in the cold.
Well, it is cold there. I think the highs are like 50. They look like, yeah, they're like knee socks. Yeah, so they got the same sort of, and these are different. These, the blue ones, okay. And then look at the sweater. 100% pure wool sweater. So this, it says Norlander
Is the brand.
Well, this is made in Norway. They told
that's
us.
Cool.
Yeah, they told us about this sweater. Wow.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Ooh, look at that.
We can get it all. Oh wow, yeah, it's got like a little zipper. Oh, that's well insulated too.
No, look at the little.
Norlander.
I guess that's their
since
flag.
1927. That's beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
It'll be really warm.
I love it. And then, whoops. And then this is like a windbreaker. I knew about this part too.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know what they would look like.
Yeah.
You know. So it looks like it's kind of Sahara sand, which we don't have that color anymore.
Household, when there's colors, they eventually end up just being Stampin' Up color names. You can't just say. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, it's even got a hood.
Yep, it has a hood, and it has
the little ventilation.
I don't know what this.
Oh, that's what they normally are.
Oh, look, it covers up a pocket in the
so
front.
The rain doesn't get into it.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's really nice.
Okay. Oh, look, it has a little bag.
Oh.
To carry it in.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool.
Now, should we open this strap?
Oh,
I'm
yeah. I guess
what.
Well, it's a strap.
I know, but for what?
I don't know. There wasn't a bag in here.
No.
Is it a belt? It's a strap. I don't know. I'm not sure why we have a big strap.
It's not like a belt for the rain jacket, maybe?
No.
It's adjustable.
Maybe they'll tell us what it's for.
Maybe
I don't.
Maybe there's a mystery item you get later on that goes with the strap.
Take your buckle. It's for demonstrating on the plane.
Yes.
No.
You have exits here
and
here.
Right. Stop. This is really fun.
That is
okay, so
really cool.
we need to make cookies now.
Yep.
Watch out, cookies.
Yep.
Okay, well, that's what was in my Norway box. I've been dying to find out, and I love this sweater. The colors.
The sweater's beautiful.
Yeah, and this rain. I'd probably bring this with me on the trip.
Nice that they gave you 2 pairs of socks too.
Yeah,
because
those might come with me too.
One person, so
yeah,
2 pairs of socks, 1 for each.
Yeah,
that's nice.
Although I don't think Tim is going to be wearing these socks.
Probably not. I can't see Dad doing that. They're a little. They're more to your liking.
A little more girly.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks for joining us for the unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. You almost missed the pen in the box. That's going on my pen board.